Mr. Siak logged in, and can explain that. He's in the parking lot on Zoom. He will come in if the court wants him to come in.
Yeah, but
We'll try to get him in, and he refused to come back in.
tell Mr. Siak to come in here. If he's not in here in 5 minutes, I'm going to issue a warrant for his arrest.
He's on Zoom, Judge. I just brought him in.
Siak, Clark, Andrew Steven Siak, 25T7174451. Your name?
Andrew Steven Siak.
Is Tucker Davis your name?
Don
I'm sorry, what was
P59229, Your Honor.
Nor all on behalf of the people. There is nothing written on that file. The reason is because while we were sitting on there right before this hearing, the victim was here. Andrew Siak and the victim did have contact. The victim advocate here from our office, as did Will, the court officer. I spoke.
Mr. Siak, let's stop.
I'm sorry.
I'm not going to play games with you. Either walk in here right now or I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest, and it's going to be a really high bond. You got about
why is it like this?
Mr. Siak.
I didn't do the crime. She just told him, you guys are going to arrest me and hold me in jail for a crime that I...
Knock it off.
Mr. Siak, I'm advising you to be quiet. And
he's got 3 minutes to get into this courtroom or I'm issuing a warrant. I'm not going to play games with you hanging out in the parking lot.
Yeah, you guys are going to crook me. All right, I'm on the way in.
Watch your mouth. I'm on my way in. With a different attitude, or you're going to end up in the back one way or the other. I promise you.
Is it going to be one way or other? I'm on my way in.
Shoot him.
I'm on my way.
Mr. Siak. Joshua John Muniz, 14B108400A and B. I'll take testimony. Where's Mr. Muniz? Your name? Name?
Joshua Munoz.
Where are you at?
I am at work, and I am awaiting your courtroom.
Where's work?
Right now, I'm around a block from my house. I'm in Farwell.
Sir, you haven't been here in 11 years. Where's work? Where's your house?
My house is 8590 Finley Lake Avenue, Farwell, Michigan, 48622.
Well, you're going to have to drive down here. Okay? You've been playing with me for 11 years. You want to play games? Go to Sportway or go to a carnival.
Understood,
sir. Set him a court date, Lisa. He's driving down here. I'm tired of this nonsense, not showing up here in 11 years. What have you been doing? Fighting in a war somewhere?
No, I've been fighting for my life, actually, sir. I've got necrotizing fasciitis. I've got rare Cinder-Bacter Baumannii. I've had a partial left foot amputation. I've had a lot of problems once I found out that I was diabetic type 1.5. Been out of the hospital.
I'll tell you what. I'm going to give you a court date. We're gonna say that I'm gonna let you appear by Zoom, and you are going to send us proof of all that. Okay, I'll do that for you. We're gonna set arraignment pretrial on both of these, and you provide proof of medical documentation. How long will it take you to do that?
I'm not sure. I can call my primary care and see what documents I can get from them to show you that everything I've said is true.
And Your Honor, just for the purpose of the record, Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client, we did review his constitutional rights, and the statement that he gave to you was also what he said to me.
Why do I have this tether going? That's why I was on Zoom. Settle down. So to answer the question, Mr. Sudak, you are going to have to settle down. I've had tethers in here. They don't always go off. I don't know why yours is going off.
Yes, we said. Okay.
I'm just setting these for November 20th at 9 a.m. I'm not going to arraign them now. I'm not setting a bond. I'm going to let them appear by Zoom.
I appreciate that, Your Honor.
Who's your tether company?
Wake up.
You mean to tell me that's on you the time, going crazy like that? Even
No, it's going great. I was trying to call my tethering officer to get it adjusted. He's busy, and then I was trying to deal with this, so I logged into the
all
Zoom.
right, November 20th at 9 o'clock. That's when I'll set it. Lisa, he can appear by Zoom, but he's going to have to provide us with medical documentation before then. This idea, this notion of people not showing up for 11 years and then getting to show up, whether they're a mile away or 200 miles away by Zoom, is just not going to sit with me very well. All right? Okay. Anything else right now, Mr. Shemke?
No, nothing else, Your Honor.
So you get your medical documentation. When did that? All right, let's go with Andrew Stephen Siak. 25T717-445 Ring.
May it please this honorable court, Don Tucker Davis, P59229, representing Mr. Andrew Stephen Siak, who's present.
Your Honor, you want all the-
I would take it down about 11 decibels if I would. Mr. Siak? Mr. Siak? Humility goes a ways. Arrogance will never help you in here. Acting like you are a superstar will never help you in here. Call over to probation, see if they can come in here and figure out what other company they can call, John. I can't have this thing going on if I can't concentrate.
I mean, it'd be great to have it on.
Stop. Mr. Seal,
On say nothing.
I wouldn't either if I was you. I just got done telling you that. All right, Ms. Tucker, they're telling me the prosecutor is here. On October 28th, it says he was here on Zoom, and it says 10 minutes,
We're gonna look at him.
but then left at 8:45, which is why I made him appear in person.
Okay.
Now,
Don't-
what are
Go
we
ahead.
doing on this case besides addressing a potential bond violation? Anything?
We adjourn this for discovery, which I think is very important to this case to today. We still have not heard or received that. Madam Prosecutor was looking into that. So we do have a preliminary exam date set for November 25th, Your Honor.
We're so the exam is the 25th. They're my best to get all the discovery done.
They're coming in here.
No, Pam said they gotta try to find an angle. It's gonna be a minute.
You go out in the hallway. Ms. Tucker, I'm gonna need you to zoom back in. They want, it sounds like there's a violation of the no contact provision, at least allegedly. So I'm gonna have to, what's
Do you want
that?
me do you want me to come in person? I could have done that an hour ago. And do you want me to come down there in person, or
Where are you right now? Are you in Trenton?
I'm in Detroit? I can get it right on I-75.
I mean, if you want to, it's not, yeah, maybe you should. Maybe you should. We'll get his tether dealt with, because I feel like I'm at a carnival right now. Get here when you can, please.
Is it possible to address my attorney?
Not now.
I will leave right now.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you back here. Thank you. See you act with your lawyer. Counsel, your appearance, please, Ms. Tucker Davis.
Good morning, or good afternoon, Your Honor. Doing all the way on behalf of the people.
And John Tucker Davis, P59229.
By the way, it's good to have you here. I knew Ms. Tucker Davis when I was about 10, right? Your name?
Andrew Stevens, I.
All right, now, so we have the deputy chief here?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what's your name, please?
Deputy Chief Rozak, Roseville Police Department.
So do you want to talk to him? Are you satisfied you can go forward now?
I can go on.
Okay, you want me, I'm gonna swear him in then. Okay, and the issue here is whether or not there was a bond violation. So you guys can have a seat, relax. Deputy, why don't you come on right up here to the witness chair, please. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got. All right, have a seat, please. Go ahead, Ms. Allen.
Could you please state your name for the record?
Deputy Chief Brozak, Todd Brozak, Coastal Police Department.
Could you spell it out for the court reporter, please?
TODD, last name Brozak, B as in boy, ROZ as in zebra, Blue King.
Mr. Brozak, did you come here to the court today?
I did,
And today is November 4th, 2025.
correct.
And when you came here, you informed me of an incident that occurred with Andrew Ziak and complainant Shelley Zajac, is that correct?
Correct.
And could you tell me what you know about that incident that occurred?
I was here on the state docket, and my road officer had called me directly and said that he was at the residence and there was an incident. And your subject, your defendant, Mr. Sienna, has said that he needed to be here at court at a certain time. And if I could relay to the court officer that he was going to be delayed.
And so to your knowledge, was Shelley Zajac at the residence this morning, or at Andrew Ziak's residence?
Your Honor, I would object and ask for clarification. Were you actually at the residence?
No,
So you could, I can ask there, were you actually at the residence?
it's not.
And it was your road officer that was at the residence.
Correct.
And he informed you that he was at Andrew Ziak's residence and Shelley Zajac was there?
Yes.
Do you know any other details about that incident?
Nothing that I was not there. So there is a report that's being generated.
Were there any arrests?
No.
And was anybody transported here by the road officer?
Yes, your victim.
So the Shelley Zajac was transported? And if you know, was Andrew Ziak transported? Did he get here on his own?
I do not know how he arrived here.
I have.
Any evidence that she was there against her will?
No.
Any questions of them? Thank you.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
You can step down. Thank you. What do you want to say? Anything?
Just that, Your Honor, there is a no contact order in this case. The report was generated. They were both at the residence at that time. In addition to that, what happened today at court, they were making contact. I also asked a victim advocate here that observed that, as well as a court officer that was out in front. And I was informed by the victim herself that Andrew Ziak had told her to.
What in the world was she doing over there if this you can step down, sir. What in the world was she doing over there at his house? Do we have any evidence as to why she was there?
The reason that she told me was that she was going there to pick up her keys. Keys, I believe, to a vehicle, if I recall correctly.
All right, I'm going to cut this short. Mr. Ziak, I want you to understand something.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to sir me, and you don't have to say anything right now, okay? When you have any contact with her, regardless of who initiates it, that's a violation of the no contact. If she comes over to your house and you let her in, that's a violation of no contact provision, not by her, by you. I didn't order a victim not to have contact with you. I ordered you not to have contact with the victim. If she calls you and you pick up the phone, that's a violation of no contact. She comes to your house, you let her in. That's a violation of no contact. She emails you and you email back. That's a violation of the no contact provision. She texts you and you text back. That's a violation of the no contact provision. So stop acting holier than now. I can't stand that.
Well,
Mr. Ziak. Don't shake your head at me, son. Do not shake your head at me.
Yes.
Do you understand what I just told you?
Yes. I didn't realize I can't say something on my.
Let you talk. Hang on, hang on.
Yes, sir.
I can caution. I can tell you that if I were you, the last thing I would do is talk right now. That's just me. That's just me. You want to talk? Feel free to talk. I got all day to listen. John, go warm my coffee. You can talk for 4 hours if you want. Because you cannot sit and listen, son. You're gonna interrupt. You think whatever. Go ahead, talk. Say what you want to say. Might get you in more trouble.
I was speaking with my attorney.
No, you sounded like you wanted to address the court. You looked at me when you said I want to talk. You started to interrupt me. You want to talk? I got all day. It's 12:20. I won't take a lunch. We can sit here till 4:30 if you want. I got a wedding at 4. But I can listen to you for 3 hours and 20 minutes, 40 minutes if you want.
I think Mr. Siak is going to allow me to speak for him.
Okay. Jeez. That's the smartest thing I've seen him do all day. Go ahead.
But Your Honor, from the testimony, if we do have a witness if necessary, but if from the testimony, it appears that the complainant came to the house. There is no evidence that Mr. Siak let her in or engaged in any conversation with her to come there. We're asking for this violation of no contact.
You're still under oath. Was the information conveyed to you that she was in the residence? If you don't know, you don't know.
I know she was present. I don't know if she was inside of it. You're right.
As I was starting to say, those are violations of the no contact provision when she contacts you and you have anything to do with it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If I was you and I saw her approaching in my house or my yard, my property at all, I would lock the door, shut the drapes, and call the police and say, the victim is here and I don't want to be accused of violating any no contact provision. You don't need to interrupt me. That's what I'd do.
Yes, sir.
Didn't nobody. You just want to interrupt. If I had a nickel for every time you've interrupted me today, I'd have enough to buy a whatever. I'm telling you, Mr. Siak, you better change your attitude. There's not enough here for me to violate him under these circumstances. Plus, next time you need the witnesses. You need her and you need the responding officer, not the deputy chief who's told something by the responding officer. We're going on November 24th on this, right? 25th, I'm sorry. November 25th, exam to remain for November 25th. Hearing held regarding violation no contact. I want to be clear. If she's there and you let her in, that's a violation of no contact. Do we understand what I mean?
Yes.
I'll just make a note. Defendant found not guilty of the bond violation. We'll see everybody here on the 25th.
Your Honor, if I may make a record.
Yeah.
We were here today under the PCC for outstanding discovery. In the paper police report and that I did obtain, there was a second person in the room. One complainant was making a statement. We are requesting to find out if that person made a statement to the police. There are outstanding photographs of any alleged injuries in this case that we were asking for. There is also a written.
Did I sign a discovery order in this case?
I don't recall, but Your Honor, I already informed defense. I requested it from our OIC. I spoke to another detective here today from Trenton, and he's going to make sure that all gets in.
Okay, make sure you get it to her in the next few days, though.
No, I understand.
Because there's no way I'm adjourning this. What else do you want?
And the exam is the 25th.
I know. You're gonna get it to her by hopefully this Friday at latest, right?
Of course, I always do my best.
I know
I
you do.
do want to say that Madam Prosecutor has been very cooperative in this. She's been trying to obtain it, but I needed to make a record.
Sure,
Thank
I
you.
got it. Anything else?
No, Your Honor, nice
Nice to
to
see you. Nice to see everybody. We will see you here on the 25th. Thank you very much.